Hi, this is Mrs. Solomon, and today we are going to learn how to set up a WordPress.com account. So you can begin blogging on the on the class blogs that you are going to be posting on. So let's get started. Okay, if you remember, I think I showed you what your blog is going to be what your blog looks like. If you don't remember, if you are in my Period 2 class, this is one of my senior classes, Period 2. This is what your blog looks like. It's very sparse, and all of them are very sparse, but you as learners are going to be adding to it, and I'm really, really excited about that. But in order for you to be able to add to it, it's a WordPress.com blog, you have to have a WordPress.com username and ID. So the first thing that we're going to do, no matter where you are, is in the URL at the top of your page, you're going to type in www.wordpress.com, and it's going to take you to the main page. What you're going to do is you're going to sign up. Now this is a slightly different screen. Sometimes there's a big button right here that says sign up now. Right now it's just showing up here. Okay, whether it looks like this or it's a big button, you're going to select sign up now since you don't currently have a WordPress.com ID. So if you'll go ahead and do that. And it says here that you can get your own WordPress.com account in seconds, and it literally is a few seconds. This is what it looks like. You're not going to be starting your own blog right now. I highly recommend, if you don't have one, to do so for various reasons. We'll talk about that at some other time. But right now you're just going to get a username. And so what I want you to do is go down to this field here, and where it says sign up for username, just a username, click there. Okay. And then it sort of truncates your fields. Not truncates your fields, but decreases the number of fields that you have. And you're going to enter in a username. You can change this later, but what I would prefer that you do is just enter your first name and the first initial of your last name. This blog is public, meaning that I'm not the only one who's going to be looking at your postings and looking at your comments. And your peers are not going to be the only ones who are looking at your postings or your comments. This is going to be available for others as well. And so for privacy purposes, just enter in your first name and the first initial of your last name. Since I already have a WordPress.com account, I'm just going to put something in here that I know that works, just to show you how it works. So this is the username that I'm using. Note the directions, at least 4 lowercase letters and numbers. Enter in a sufficient password. And this is the password that you're going to be using to sign in and get onto the blog. Okay? And then enter your email address here. I prefer that you use a Westminster email just to simplify things. You're using your Westminster email for Schoology. You might as well use it for this here for the blog as well. I already have one that's tied to my email. You can only have one account tied to one email, so I had to make another one. So just to show you how this works. Okay, so I entered in my email address. Do not click this here. Okay, subscribe to our blog because you don't want to start getting a bunch of other emails. Your blog post language is English, and then just click sign up. Once you click sign up, it says check your email to complete registration. It's generally pretty fast, so you're going to go to your email. I'm going to start a new tab here. Go to your email. And as you can see, I'm already signed in as ksolp3@gmail.com. I'm going to enter in my password. And what do you know? I've got my email from WordPress.com, and it says to activate your newly created account, please click on this link, and I'm going to do that. This is the screen that you will come to when it is time for you to get onto the blog. Okay, I'm going to enter in my password, log in, and I am at what is referred to as the dashboard. This is the first step in getting you ready to blog with a WordPress.com blog that I've set up for you for each of my classes. In the next tutorial, I am going to show you how to actually get onto the blog, to actually begin generating your own posts. I'm excited. I hope you are too. Talk to you later.